I used to think losing everything was the end of the story. The kind of end where nothing grows again. Where silence replaces noise and hope feels like a lie people tell to survive. When everything fell apart, it didn't happen dramatically. No explosions, no big goodbye. Just small losses, one after another, money first, then people, then confidence, and finally, myself. I remember waking up one morning and realizing there was nothing left to protect. No reputation to maintain. No expectations to live up to. No image to defend. And that scared me more than failure ever did. For a long time, I blamed the world. The timing, people who left, opportunities that never came back. I kept asking, why me? As if pain had a customer support desk. But something strange happens when you hit the bottom. You stop pretending. There's no audience down there. No applause. No judgment. Just you and the truth. That's when I finally understood this. I didn't lose everything. I lost what I was using to hide. I was hiding behind money I didn't earn honestly. Behind people who liked the version of me that was useful. Behind dreams that weren't even mine. Losing them hurt, but it also cleared the noise. For the first time, I could hear myself think. For the first time, my decisions weren't about impressing anyone. They were about survival. And survival teaches you things comfort never will. I learned that peace is expensive, but ego is more expensive. I learned that people who stayed during your worst days are worth more than crowds during your best. I learned that starting over isn't embarrassing, refusing to start over is. Most importantly, I learned that losing everything forces you to ask one honest question. Who am I without all this? And when you truly answer it, you become dangerous in the best way. Because now you're not afraid of losing. You've already survived it. Today I don't have everything, but I have clarity. I have patience. I have resilience built from nights when quitting felt easier than breathing. If you're listening to this and you feel broken, let me tell you something clearly. This is not your ending. This is your reset. Sometimes life takes everything away to give you back yourself. And once you have that, nothing can really destroy you again.